Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve your coming across a Google Chrome error that you are trying to update the Chrome browser and it says your browser is managed by your organization. Let's fix that guys. Go to Chrome browser, go to three dot icon and select settings. You want to go to reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcut, disable extensions, delete cookies and temporary sites delete. Bookmarks, history and saved password won't it be affected. Reset settings, click on it. That's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.